Websites should be an engine for growth, not just a pretty brochure. Great web design is like a first date. First impressions matter, and we can certainly help you deliver that wow factor. Selexweb is a growing web design and development firm. We saw a pressing need within the business community for quality web design and development services at a fair price. Our mission is to bring innovative and cutting-edge web design and development services to small businesses at an exceptional value. Our services include web design and development, Excel to web app, web maintenance, hosting and domain, Google and Facebook ads, Google 360 services. Whether we are building a website or a custom web application, we get you off the ground quickly, and then we constantly improve the product to deliver you its best possible version. How about contacting us today?